In this video, I'll show you how you can achieve a cinematic look for your photo using Camera Raw. Let's dive into it. First, I want to convert the photo into a smart object so we can go back and change the values later if needed. Then, go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. What we want to achieve is a warm, cinematic look. Start by sliding the tint slightly towards green. Then decrease the contrast a bit to get that film-like look and go subtle with the other sliders. Reduce the clarity because we don't want the image to look too sharp, but don't overdo it. Also, decrease both vibrance and saturation, since film tones are usually more desaturated, if you've noticed. Raise the shadows slider because we don't want the blacks to be completely crushed. Also, decrease the saturation of yellow tones individually, since they still appear too vibrant. Now for the main part, color grading. Add some warm tones in the highlights, a bit of yellow in the midtones, and a slight touch of green or teal in the shadows. As you can see, it's already starting to look cinematic. Then press OK. You may also add a LUT for an overall look, but make sure to decrease the opacity so it's not too strong. You can go back into Camera Raw to make some final adjustments if needed. In the curves, I like to decrease the shadows a bit to add a more dramatic look. Lastly, you can add a vignette using curves or any other method you prefer. This adds more drama and helps the subject pop.